Hello everyone, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see types of applications we can create using the Java. So Java is very secured language and it is also very robust language. So using Java, how much types of application we can create? In this video, we are going to see how much types of applications we can create or build using the Java, and in most of the time in industry Java language is preferred because it is very secure. This type of application we can create by using the Java is desktop applications. So Java is widely used for developing cross-platform desktop applications. We can create the desktop applications by using JavaFX, Swings, then AWT. So these are the technologies. So the examples of the desktop applications like IDEs such as Eclipse or IntelliJ, then media players. Okay. So next type of applications we can create by using Java is web applications. Java is one of the most popular language for building the web applications. The technologies used to create the web applications such as Servlet, JSP, Spring Boot. Example of the web applications such as e-commerce application, booking system, etc. So next type of application we can create by using Java is mobile applications. So the Java was the primary language for Android application development because it supports Android Studio and it is used for native mobile applications as well. So next is the enterprise applications. Like banking applications we can create by using the Java language. So the Java is heavily used in enterprise due to its reliability and scalability. It uses Java EE slash Jakarta EE. Example of the enterprise application is banking applications and the ERP systems. So next type of applications we can create by using Java is scientific applications. So Java is used for scientific and research based applications as well. Okay, because it is fast, secure and portable. It is used in simulation and data analysis. Let's say there is large amount of data and we have to remove the information or crucial information from that data. So for that purpose also we can use the Java language. Next type of application we can create by using Java is gaming applications. So the Java supports game development with strong OOPs and multi-threading. Okay, so OOPs is known as object oriented programming. It uses like LWJGL and JavaFX. Okay, so we can build the gaming applications such as Minecraft. So it was originally built with the Java. This type of application that we can create by using Java is big data applications. So Java is widely used in big data application frameworks. Hadoop is written in Java only. Big data application is used for data pipelines and analytics. So next type of application that we can create by using Java is cloud-based application. So Java is widely used to build the scalable cloud-based applications. Works well with the AWS, GCP, Azure. So it's a cloud providers. So Java works well with this kind of services. Okay. So AWS provided by the Amazon, GCP is provided by the Google, and Azure is provided by the Microsoft. With these three of cloud providers, Java performs well. The example of cloud-based applications is like microservices using Spring Boot. So conclusion, so Java used to build almost every type of applications in the market because It is platform independent, and as well as it is secure and scalable. Okay, so this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.